The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into national security operations has become a pivotal topic in today's rapidly advancing technological landscape. AI's potential to enhance national security is undeniable, offering significant improvements in surveillance, threat detection, and cybersecurity. One of the primary advantages of AI is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing valuable insights that can be used to identify and mitigate potential security threats. For instance, AI algorithms can monitor and analyze social media activity, financial transactions, and other data sources to detect suspicious patterns and behaviors that may indicate terrorist activities or other security concerns. Additionally, AI-driven tools are crucial in protecting national infrastructure from cyber attacks. Machine learning algorithms can detect anomalies in network traffic, allowing for swift responses to potential threats. This capability is essential in an era where cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated and frequent. In the realm of military applications, AI-powered drones and autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize warfare. These technologies can operate in hazardous environments, reducing the risk for human soldiers by carrying out reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat missions. However, the use of autonomous weapons raises significant ethical questions that must be carefully considered. The prospect of machines making life-and-death decisions without human intervention is a topic of intense debate, and it underscores the need for stringent ethical guidelines and oversight in the development and deployment of AI in military contexts. Despite the numerous benefits of AI in national security, several challenges and concerns must be addressed. One of the primary concerns is data privacy and the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on large data sets, and any biases present in these data sets can lead to biased outcomes. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that overrepresents certain demographic groups, it may unfairly target those groups in its analysis and decision-making processes. This issue is particularly concerning in the context of surveillance and law enforcement, where biased AI algorithms could lead to discriminatory practices. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to ensure transparency in how AI systems are developed and used. Robust oversight and accountability measures must be in place to prevent misuse and protect individual freedoms. Another critical aspect is the role of human oversight in AI decision-making. While AI can assist in decision-making by providing valuable insights and recommendations, over-reliance on AI without human intervention can be problematic. AI systems may make decisions based on incomplete or skewed data, leading to incorrect or harmful outcomes. Furthermore, adversaries could potentially manipulate AI systems to their advantage, exploiting vulnerabilities to mislead or disrupt national security operations. Therefore, maintaining a balance between AI and human oversight is essential to ensure that decisions are based on accurate and comprehensive information. The global nature of AI technology necessitates international cooperation and regulations to prevent misuse and ensure ethical use. Nations must work together to develop international guidelines for the deployment of AI in national security, fostering a collaborative approach to address shared challenges and threats. This cooperation is particularly important in the context of cyber threats, which often transcend national borders and require coordinated responses. By establishing clear and enforceable guidelines, the international community can promote the responsible development and use of AI, ensuring that its benefits are shared equitably while minimizing potential risks. In conclusion, AI has significant potential to enhance national security through improved surveillance, threat detection, and cybersecurity. However, its implementation must be approached with caution, transparency, and a strong emphasis on ethical considerations. By striking the right balance between AI and human oversight, and through international cooperation, we can harness the power of AI responsibly and ensure that it contributes positively to national security. As we navigate this evolving landscape, the future of security lies in our hands, and how we choose to deploy and regulate AI will determine the extent to which it can be trusted with national security.